Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term upper decking. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, upper decking is a prank where someone sneaks a fart under a person who is sitting. People use it when joking around or playing tricks on friends. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Upper decking first showed up in the early 2000s among teenagers as a funny prank. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and pranksters. Now let's check out how to use upper decking in a sentence. Correct example 1. Someone tried upper decking me on the bus, and I couldn't stop laughing. Correct example 2. Watch out, or you'll get upper decked at the party tonight. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said upper decking at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using upper decking right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Upper decking means a prank involving sneaking a fart under someone sitting. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with upper decking in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.